You never have to buy yogurt again because I'm about to show you how to make your own using powdered milk. Start by mixing 1 cup of water with 2.5 tablespoons of full cream milk powder until it is completely dissolved. Heat the milk until it's just about to simmer or 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let it cool to the touch or it reaches 43 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want this too warm because it's going to kill the culture if it's too warm. Stir 1 teaspoon of yogurt into a little bit of warm milk, then mix it back into the rest. Pour it into a clean jar, put the lid on and cover it, and keep it somewhere warm for 8 to 12 hours. Once it's set, pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. If you prefer Greek yogurt, simply strain it through a cheesecloth or clean tea towel for a few hours until it's nice and thick. And don't forget to save a teaspoon before you eat it all because this is where it becomes an infinity egg. This is how we save money we make instead of buy. Follow me for more.